Hi everyone. Windows 11 no longer includes the built-in guest account that was once available in previous versions of Windows. However, you can still create a similar restricted account to allow temporary access to your computer. This type of account is great for sharing your device safely, ensuring limited access to your files and settings. In this guide, I'll show you the steps to create a guest account on your Windows 11 device using the Settings app. First, open the Settings application on your computer. You can access it by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings or using the shortcut Windows key +I. Next, navigate to the Accounts section on the left-hand side of the Settings menu. This section allows you to manage all account-related options. Next, click on the Other Users page located on the right-hand side. Here, you'll find the tools to add or manage secondary accounts. Next, under the Other Users section, click the Add Account button. A new dialog will appear. Select the option, I don't have this person's sign-in information when prompted. Next, choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. This will allow you to create a local account instead of one tied to an email address. Next, enter a name for the account, such as Visitor, since Guest is a reserved name that cannot be used. Create a secure password for the account and complete the security questions for password recovery. Once these steps are completed, a restricted account will be created. To access this guest account, sign out of your current session and log in with the newly created account. And there you have it. While Windows 11 may not have the classic guest account, you can still set up a secure, limited environment for temporary users. This ensures your personal data and settings remain safe while giving others access to basic computer functions.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.